Guys, so I'm starting today's video on the way. Hey, so I'm going out to make a friend's hair and I decided to take you guys along. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this day in my life, because this is just like a day in my life today. So let's go. I even pray I see tricycle that will take me, because the road is just dried, as you can see. Look at how dried everywhere is because of Uncle COVID. So let's hope I see tricycle. Thank God I finally saw one. Bukik, San Gabriel.
Okay.
Yeah. San Gabriel.
Di kolam yun?
Huh?
Di kolam.
I don't understand Tagalog.
Betul.
Bukik.
Kuno bukik.
Yeah.
This bukik.
San Gabriel, like after the region 1.
Sorry.
Huh?
Sorry.
After region 1.
We're going to Bukit Gonzales Street or where?
San Gabriel. Huh? How much? 50 pesos. Huh?
70.
50 now.
No.
Just region 1 here.
I'm going to...
Yeah, it's not far.
No, I'm not so far. I'm going
50 pesos now.
50. Okay.
Huh? 50. 50.
Not so bad.
50 now. For me, so today is eat and plate. Hey, are you seeing this? This girl wants to finish me with food today. Hey. What's this? Shrimp and fish. Aww. Hey, don't worry. Thank God I came early.
Even if you did not come early, you should
Woo! I'm sure this is rice.
Yes.
Oh. Hey. Yeah, so look at our chef. If you want to see more food, go to Joy's kitchen. You see special delicacies. Hair so full. We'll spend 1 year on this hair the way I'm seeing it. She have very small body went and carry big hair. So after like 4 hours, I think so, 4 hours, this is what the hair looks like. We are getting there gradually. Just remaining the front line and we are done. So we just finished the hair, but we are not done. No, I'm just showing you how far we've gone. So we still have this place to complete. But this is what we've done, and this guy is stressing me. She wants to sleep. I'm on my neck. Somebody is about to cry right now. I am plaiting this girl's hair. She said she wants to eat. Now she said she cannot finish the food. So I'm going to look for Kane now. If she don't finish this food, hey, whoa. Oh God. Let me start with this comb first.
You must finish it.
You must finish it. Yes. Finish it.
I want King Yabin.
Yes, you asked for it, so finish it. Finish it. I'm watching. I'm watching. Oh. You must finish it. So this is how the hair looks like after putting it in hot water. Yep. This is how the front looks like. I know you're in pain, sorry, yeah? Yeah, so this is how the hair looks like. I'm going to pack it and show you. Yeah, so this is it. Well, this is my first time using Brazilian wool. Thank God it came out well. Yeah, so this is the finished look of our hair that we have been stressing since morning. So this is what it looks like. Aww. Yeah, so that's it. So this is what my day actually looked like today. Nothing serious. Hey, this is serious. Why would I say nothing serious?